expanded form of two-digit numbers. First, let us see how to write a two-digit number in an expanded form. For example, write the expanded form of the number 36. Expanded form of writing a number means writing the place value of all the digits of a number in the addition form. In the number 36, as the digit in the tens place is 3, the place value of the digit 3 is 30. And as the digit in the units place is 6, the place value of the digit 6 is 6. Now, let us learn how to write the number 36 in the expanded form. To write the number 36 in the expanded form, we have to write the place value of the digit 3 and the place value of the digit 6 in the addition form. As the place value of 3 is 30 and the place value of 6 is 6, the expanded form of the number 36 is equal to 30 plus 6. Similarly, by following the same procedure, we can also write a three-digit number in an expanded form. Let us take an example. Write the expanded form of three-digit number 456. Again here, we will first find the place value of each digit. The digits in the three-digit number 456 are 4, 5 and 6. The digit 4 is in the hundreds place. Therefore, the place value of the digit 4 is 400. The digit 5 is in the tens place. Therefore, the place value of the digit 5 is 50. The digit 6 is in the units place. Therefore, the place value of the digit 6 is 6. Therefore, the expanded form of 456 is equal to 400 plus 50 plus 6. So far we have seen how to write the given number in the expanded form. Now we will see how to form the number when its expanded form is given. Look at the expanded form 40 plus 9. Write the number. Here we have to go in the reverse order. We already know that expanded form of a number means nothing but adding the place value of its digits. Thus, the expanded form 40 plus 9 means the place value 40 plus the place value 9. The place value 40 means the digit must be in tens place. Since the place value is 40, the digit in the tens place will be 4. Secondly, the place value 9 means the digit 9 must be in the units place. Since the place value is also 9, the digit in the units place will be 9. Therefore, the number formed from the expanded form 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. Let us take one more example. Write the number from the expanded form 700 plus 0 plus 5. Since the expanded form is given as 700 plus 0 plus 5, the given number must be a 3-digit number. The expanded form 700 plus 0 plus 5 means the place value 700 plus the place value 0 plus place value 5. The place value 700 means that the digit in the hundreds place must be 7. The place value 0 in the tens place means the digit in the tens place is 0. And the place value 5 in the units place means the digit in the units place must be 5. Therefore, the number formed from the expanded form 700 plus 0 plus 5 is 705. Now we have understood how to write the given number in the expanded form and how to form the number from its expanded form. Let us do an activity by solving few problems from the exercise given in page 10. Question 1. Write the expanded form of the given numbers. The expanded form of 75 is 70 plus 5. The expanded form of 48 is 40 plus 8. The expanded form of 90 is 90 plus 0. The expanded form of 674 is 600 plus 70 plus 4. The expanded form of 333 is 300 plus 30 plus 3. The expanded form of 440 is 400 plus 40 plus 0. Question 2. Look at the expanded form. Write the number. The number formed from 80 plus 0 is 80. The number formed from 300 plus 10 plus 1 is 311. The number formed from 600 plus 10 plus 0 is 610. The number formed from 700 plus 0 plus 4 is 704. The number formed from 800 plus 80 plus 8 is 888. The number formed from 100 plus 40 plus 8 is 148. The number formed from 900 plus 90 plus 5 is 995.